There's nothing like a classic summer day. From long weekend getaways or hosting at home in the backyard, summertime is the perfect quintessential aperitif moment. My favorite ways to celebrate summer is by hosting friends over at the house, making cocktails, cooking fresh food on the grill, and just spending time outside under the twinkling lights. Tonight I'm making the classic Lillet Spritz. It's so easy to make and the perfect summer cocktail. Mix 2 parts Lillet and 4 parts tonic water over ice and garnish with some cucumber slices, mint leaves, and strawberry. And of course you can add in a paper straw just for fun. I love being comfortable on a warm summer night, and this beautiful flowy dress by Malia Mills is the perfect piece to wear. Cheers to women-owned businesses and brands that support community through their partnership with Course of Trade. So let's raise a glass and cheers to the good life, enjoying those hot summer days, the art of slow living, and spending time with those who matter most. Cheers!